So most of these app projects are done in groups. You partner up or you work in groups of three, right? Sometimes it can be three or four, and you just kind of split the work, figure out who's going to code what part of the app, who's going to design, how many screens you're going to do. So, for example, we can see here there's a randomized screen and then select the screen here. So you need to start off by learning the concepts. Then in code.org, you get to practice, kind of a little bit of practice, and then at towards the end of the lesson, you get to do an app project. You get to bring everything that you've learned throughout the lesson and build an app from scratch. So here we have an app that Sebastian and Dante created. It's kind of shows you the U.S. presidents. Here we have the code that they worked on. Let's go ahead and test the app. So we're going to go ahead and click run. And then you can randomize. Again, they even added a song to the app. We can randomize. And that'll show you the different presidents. Yeah, president number 10, John Tyler, 1841 through 1845. I believe the state from where they're from, and I'm not sure what this part is. You can, again, randomize again. Or you can go home and select from the drop down, and then you can select what number president you would like to see more information about. So again, if we go down to 46, we have Joseph Biden, who is the current president. And then we'll go a little bit further back, Donald Trump. Then we'll keep going a little bit further back, Barack Obama, and so on and so forth. So again, pretty cool project by Sebastian and Dante. Let's go ahead and reset. Let's go ahead and move on to our next project. Here we have a project it was done by Ezra, Aiden, and Sadie. So again, awesome project. Here is the code that they worked on. So here we have NBA teams info. Let's go ahead and test this app. Run. Let's go ahead and get started. So it says select NBA team. Let's go ahead and select the Boston Celtics and search data. Okay, so it'll tell us how many championships in total they have, 17. And then the conference that they're in, which is Eastern Conference. And then if we restart, we'll do, it'll take us back to the home screen. Same thing, Brooklyn Nets. They have 0 championships. And they're in the Eastern Conference. So hopefully Kyrie and KD can get the Brooklyn Nets a championship. And again, you can go through the whole list of basketball teams and see their information. So that was another great project. Let's go ahead and reset, and then let's go ahead and go with our last project that we're going to showcase for today. This was a project created by Albert. Again, this was all of his code here, and here we have a net finder. So we'll click start. It says, what do you want to watch? Let's go ahead and click surprise me. Okay, based on your recommendation, it says Husbands in Goa, TV 14. It's a comedy, international movies, and music and musicals. Back to start. Let's try something different. I would like to watch a movie, and it recommends me a movie. Okay, let's back to start. I would like to watch a show. So again, recommends me Jackie Brown, rated R, dramas, thrillers. And again, throughout APCS principles, we focus on, different aspects of computer science. And again, we work in projects to create these apps. So it's been pretty awesome to see what the students have created. And again, if you're interested in this type of, coding, this type of material, then I would highly recommend you to join the computer science class, APCS principles,